What is up, guys? God bless you all. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to change the wheel bearing on the Hyundai Tiburon. So I just got out of work, got home, got changed, came to the shop, and we are about to get going with the Tiburon. I apologize for the noise, but I went ahead and I got a new heater, and it's very loud, but it's so cold here that I have to get it on. So here I have the new heater I got for the shop. It is electric and also propane tank. We use gases to power. Besides that, I have like a couple things charging in here. So it is putting work. It's very loud, so my apologies for that. When I got here, it was about 40 degrees, and right now it's about 60, so it's very nice. I put a poll on Facebook asking if you guys would like me to make a video on this, and most of you say yes. So we're gonna go ahead and pull out the knuckle. That's the plan. So the first thing that we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the center cap so I can actually lose the outside nut, just like we did on the Central video. And after we lose that, we're gonna jack up the car and basically pull out the wheel. So let's go. So I jack up the car, I have the jack there, I have a stand there, and before I remove the tire, I want to show you how bad this thing is. Look at this. You guys see this? You guys see this, how it moves? This is how bad this wheel bearing is. Alright, let's pull the tire out. So I got the tire out, and now what we have to do, we are going to remove the knuckle. We're going to pull out the tire rod. This one is the outer one. Besides that, I have to remove the shock bolt, and also gonna have to remove the caliper, and we're gonna have to remove the ball joint, which is all the way in the bottom, this one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start moving. I'm gonna start pulling things out. Let's go. So I almost had everything out. I went ahead and zip tie the caliper over here, excuse the lighting, so it won't be hanging on the line. Besides that, I have the knuckle out of the shock. I have the knuckle also out of the tie rod, and now the axle is also loose and I'm able to push it back. So right now I'm trying to basically remove this bolt right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out, take out the knuckle, and show you in 2 seconds. Let's go.
10 seconds later.
So successfully I got the knuckle out, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and drop it on my friends. So let's go.
The next day.
So here is how everything ended up. Sorry for the last clip, but the breaker turned off, so I have no lighting. The knuckle with the new hub is here in this box, and I want to give a huge shout out to my boy Abel for doing me a favor and get this thing on. Also to his friend Dave. So he was able to actually press in this knuckle for me. He told me that he gave it a good fight. Here is the old hub, which is still in good condition, but the bearing was shot. So here we have the old knuckle with the new hub. So it is shiny and it's very tight, which is good. And now we should get this car basically running again, which is good. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start putting the knuckle back. I'm gonna be using anti-seize, so I make sure that thing doesn't get stuck, just in case that this has to be removed by the new owner. And let's go. So just like that, the car is back on the floor. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and drive it around the block to test it out. So let's go. It's a huge difference. And this car has been good to me, but right now I can't have so many cars. I can't afford it. The clutch is like 1 year old. OEM exiting. now it needs power steering pressure hose, which I had, and I have to get the e-brake cables installed, which I have here. Besides that, I mean, the car is still 18,000 miles and it's still running good, to be honest. I wish I could keep it, but right now I can't. I can't have so many cars. It has an exhaust lick, but it doesn't sound bad at all, to be honest. Well, yeah guys, that's gonna be for this video. So yeah guys, there you guys have it. The Hyundai Tiburon is back on the street and it's driving amazing. Hopefully it's gonna go to a good home. So thank you guys for watching. You guys have a nice day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check out the link on the description for the merch, and I will see you on the next one. Have a nice day and God bless you all.